Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Teria and I'm with a God-Given Talent T-Shirts and Crafts. Today I wanted to share a video that addresses a common problem that I've had and I've seen other people have, is working with thin fonts. Like, they're mostly cursive fonts and they are so beautiful, but they are a headache when it comes to cutting them on a cutter and weeding them, because sometimes the cutter does not get all the small details. And when it comes to weeding them, they'll either pull off or they'll tear or they won't stick to the shirt. So my idea is to make the font just a little bit thicker, but keep the same font, but just make it thicker so that it's easier when it comes to the cutting and the weeding, and it takes away the headache and you're still able to use your beautiful fonts. So I'm going to be using Silhouette Studio, the business edition. So let's get started. So we're going to start by just typing simply the word love, Love, and then we want to click to highlight, and we're going to go over and we're going to pick one of these fonts. Any cursive font will do. I think that one's thin enough. See how thin it is right there? So double click and then highlight the word. Going to go over here to your offset panel, click on offset, and we're going to do an offset, but we're going to change this number here. We're going to start play with it. 0.015 is what we're going to start off with. Apply that and see how that looks. And if you can see the difference here. Let's add some color so you can actually see the difference. But if it isn't thick enough, then you can always make it thicker. But see how that's thick, and then your original is right here. So let's move that up and let's do it again and make it a little bit thicker. Same thing, offset, highlight, and then we're going to do 0.025 this time, just to make it a little bit thicker so you can see the difference. So if you move that, go ahead and change that to red so you can compare. See how thick that is compared to the original. So let's line them up. So the middle one there is the first one that we did, and then the last one is the second one, but we made it a little bit thicker. Look how different the lines look there. Okay guys, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that alarm button so that you'll know when the next video is dropped. You can find me at www.agodgiventalent.com. That's agodgiventalent.com. I'm on Facebook under Teria Bates, and I'm also on Instagram under Teria, or you can search for my business, A God-Given Talent. Bye-bye. Have a great day.